My project of Recyclate is the water station. The objective principle is design, simulate and implement the climate station with recycled materials. This project utilized recycled materials while polymer recycled. The objective secondary is analyze the data with a reformed learning model implement the devices. The water station is printed by recycled polymer on the 3D printer. This is resuming my project is this station has different sensors in order to analyze different data and get good prediction results for the water for scats. The station has deep learning model which collects the data taken by the sensors and analyzes them in 10 minutes time intervals so that prediction can be more exact. Having devised reinforced learning, all this data will visualized in real-time mobile app, the prediction model and current climate data. The materials I use are, for example, the water sensor and temperature sensor and pressure and atmospheric sensor and whatever. The materials before the Raspberry Pi 3 Model B, and materials the software is Android Studio, Python, and database is Firebase. This database is in real time. Devices the model car Raspberry Pi 3 Model B. This car has programming language in Python, often in the values of all the implement sensors. Similarly, the model of machine learning or deep learning. This done in Python based on models of probability and statistical to get the prediction values. And these values are sent internet to a database in the code in the real time. The database is Firebase of Google. The mobile app was made in the Android Studio software. This app takes the data collected in the database Firebase and displayed in app. This project takes aspects of my career as its mechatronics engineer, applied know-how of programming, electronics, and data predictions. In conclusions, the model machine learning was very helpful to make water forecasts. The recycled polymer is made from plastic bottles. The database Firebase was important his model in the real time. Thank you.